34 Ford Cabriolet here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Small block Chevy underneath the hood, paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. This would be glass fenders and glass doors. The rest of the body is steel. Take a look at the front grille. Of course, the iconic 34 Ford grille, chrome, bright work up front. Vented hood. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. We check out all the still pics. And also call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheel covers, beauty rings, wide white wall radials. Interior black bench seat. Tilt column. Does have a black fabric top that we'll put up at the end of this video, so you can check that out. We'll also take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. As far as the paint, there are some blemishes. I wanted to show you a few. On the hood handle right here, up around the hood ornament, a few imperfections, but hey, overall fun car to get in, drive. Put the top down, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. The color reminds me, it's similar to, say, like a C4 turquoise metallic. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So this is a rumble seat car also, and when I show you the engine bay, I'm going to show you the rumble seat also. So cool car for parades, and like I said, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. If you like these classics, maybe early 30s Fords, maybe like street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. If you can see it, to make see us in person to check out the cars, we always love that. So showroom floor or online, again, these are available to purchase when they're uploaded. Seatbelts intact. Does have power windows, as you can see, and of course the Cabriolet is going to have the side glass or windows in it compared to a Roadster. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. See a little later model dash cluster. This also has electric wipers that have been added, and the wipers do work. All right, so fuel gauge, voltmeter. Tach is working. Temp gauge, I wouldn't expect that to be up. That was a cold start. And oil pressure. Another thing I want to mention is the battery has been relocated to the rear of the car, let's put it that way. So underneath this rear taillight, kind of right in here, there is a battery disconnect or a dead man switch I want to let you know about. Hey, listen to that. A little rumble coming out of that small block. All right, I tell you what, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get the hood open. I also want to show you that rumble seat, and we're also going to put the top up so we can check out the condition of the top before we take this for a drive. All right, got the hood open. Something I wanted to mention earlier too, if you look at the underside pics, it does have adjustable coilovers up front. Under the engine bay, you're going to notice headers, Holley 4-barrel. There's that small block. And I mentioned the rumble seats. Check this out. Also nicely finished like the interior. What a fun parade car, like I said. Roll-ins and cruise-ins. Sounds good too, doesn't it? Let me go ahead and get that top up. Let's check out how the top looks. We'll wrap up this walk around video like I said, take this thing for a drive. Here it is with the top up. So black fabric top. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits. Coming around to the rear, it does have a rear glass window. Not notice any rips, tears, or holes. Passenger side glass. There it is with the top up. 1934 Ford Cabriolet. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we can check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1934 Ford Cabriolet in a nice metallic teal color. This is a street rod, nicely done interior. Black with the doors matching the seat very well. Let's see how she does on the highway. Very nice throttle response and good acceleration in this car. This is an automatic with a long stick, as if it were a standard transmission, but it is an automatic. Easy to steer. Modern gauges. Retro style modern gauges. And they're all working well. The temperature's showing almost 180 degrees. Oil pressure almost 50 pounds. Volts are over 14 and a half. And the fuel gauge is working, showing a little over half of a tank. If I let go of the wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Now we do have the top up, and there are door glass in the windows. They will help if it's going to be wet outside, but there is some air that flows around them, so you may hear that. This car corners very well. It doesn't lean very much. Power windows. What a great looking car. The fenders and the color, the style of this car is amazing. You definitely want to take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.